Everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today. I'm the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing the overall market, Macau casino stocks, GEGI, NIOBF, SAVA, NMTR, NLS, PPSI, and POLA. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors. The video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinions meant for informational, educational purposes only and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. Remember to smash the like button if you like this video. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Also, click the link in the description or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com. Sign up for all of our alerts. The best part is completely free. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. You can sign up with your email and your mobile. Mobile works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, be 1 plus area code and number. Never begin the format with 0. It will not work. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Another red day to start in terms of the overall market. I made money today. I'm happy about that. If you watched my weekend video, I had a rant I was not happy about last week. In terms of the overall market, what I see, I do not see a reason to buy the overall market right now. That's the SPY, the Dow, the QQQ, and it mainly comes down to bonds are just getting shellacked. TLT, this is the iShares 20-plus year Treasury bond ETF, made new 52-week lows. Treasury bonds are down 29% year to date. This is one of the worst starts ever for bonds. Just absolutely horrible. And right now, it is totally an interest rate story. So when interest rates are going up, the prices of bonds go down. Bonds will turn when the market starts focusing on the recession. So right now, we are not focused on, the market is not focused on that right now. It is all about the interest rates. So that's what the market is paying attention to, and that's what you need to pay attention to as well. And what I talked about over the weekend, when I say I know or I think, if I say I think the market's going to bounce tomorrow, that is gambling. That's a 50-50 shot. I got is the market could go up, it could go down. I really tried to focus on things that I know. Case in point today was MLCO, MLCO, WYNN, and LVS. News out that Macau is going to allow resume the e-visas, going to allow mainland Chinese to resume travel into Macau. Basically, Macau has been shut down ever since COVID hit. Opening up and allowing mainland Chinese back in is huge news. That's what everyone's been waiting for, and that is why we got the nice jump in MLCO, up 25%, WYNN up 11%, and Las Vegas Sands up 11%. So again, WYNN and Las Vegas Sands, it's just been their U.S. domestic properties, Marina Bay Sands in Singapore for Las Vegas Sands, WYNN, their properties in Las Vegas, and Encore Boston Harbor, that have been the only ones contributing to the bottom line. For those of you that don't know, I mean, Macau is, before COVID hit, was the largest gaming mecca in the world. So mainland Chinese, they love to gamble. They start coming into the travel is resumed. That is huge news, and these stocks are going to keep climbing. So I was really happy about this news today. And again, this is I know, or I think I know, when the Chinese come back into Macau, the market is going to rally. Next up, a few OTCs. GEGI, the person that turned us on to this one during the first big run here, well, this is the first one. This is the second one. Could be a third run coming. This is SPAC Trader in Training JD. He says, my mindset hasn't changed. The company clearly needs to get some things figured out. And we saw the run that happened based on the speculation. I do think when everything comes together here, it'll be a banger, but I'm far away from rebuilding my full position, adding slowly. So again, this is something to pay attention to. GEGI, huge correction from 2 cents all the way down to we got as low as 0.0026 today. Nice bounce today, up 27%. I'd be paying attention to GEGI as a major bounce play. Next up is NIOBF. This is just one of the best press releases on the OTC that you can get. They are to combine with NASDAQ listed GXII to access additional capital for the Elk Creek Critical Minerals Project. This is a rare earths play in, of all places, Nebraska. Rare earths are dominated by China. The U.S. has identified rare earths as a critical commodity that we lack, and this mine here, the Elk Creek project, is a pure play critical minerals project with the highest grade niobium resource in North America and the second largest indicated rare earth resource in the U.S. So they have basically put together all the financing. They're getting ready to develop this project. If you look here, I really highly recommend you go and read this press release. Depending upon the redemption rates of current shareholders of GXII, NeoCorp could receive up to $285 million in net cash proceeds at the consumption of the transaction. NeoCorp will be expects to become listed on NASDAQ post-deal close in addition to its current TSX listing. The company also announced non-binding letters of intent with Yorkville Advisors Global LP. Yorkville is a major brokerage in Canada for two financing packages to provide up to an additional $81 million to NeoCorp over the next 3 years. They're going to be doing a global marketing campaign to educate institutional and other investors about the Elk Creek project. Upon closing, enterprise value of NeoCorp estimated at $313 million. But if you look at here, let's scroll through this. Okay, the project, they completed a June 2022 feasibility study, which shows a $2.8 billion net present value and a 29.2% internal rate of return, both on a pre-tax basis and an estimated $403 million in average annual EBITDA generated. These figures do not include impacts from the possible addition of magnetic rare earth oxide products to NeoCorp's planned product suite, as NeoCorp is currently conducting technical and economical analysis with respect thereto. So again, this is a huge project. It's expected to create approximately 450 permanent full-time jobs, more than 1,200 contract construction jobs over its 3+ year construction period. It's also projected to generate $1.1 billion in employee payroll, $298 million in new tax revenue to state and local governments, and $148 million in royalty payments to local landowners. Again here, the project is positioned to become a significant U.S. miner and producer of niobium, scandium, and titanium. The project is located on all private land that NeoCorp either owns or has option to purchase agreements in place with local landowners to acquire. NeoCorp has secured all federal, state, and local permits necessary to proceed to construction once sufficient project financing is secured. In addition, the project will be required to obtain a series of permits from operations. overall, this is just a huge PR, great news. NIOBF, if this one is not on your radar screen, you need to get it on your radar screen now. Moving on, SAVA, a lot of things going on with this one. This is one I talked about after on the insider buying at $20. On that news, the stock opened at $25, been in ever since. A lot of things going on, whether the just crazy price action. No one knows what to make of it in terms of their data tampering investigation. But I will say this: the insider buying has been significant, and this has a major short position. 33% of the float is short. We've just been on a 5 green days in terms of the candlesticks, so someone is in here accumulating, or the shorts are and the shorts are covering. So certainly really like the price action. We got major resistance at $50. We get above there, and this one's really gonna squeeze the shorts. So SAVA is another one on my that I own and also paying attention to. For you guys, if you are in it, I'd be using a trailing stop, which is what I am doing. But again, not financial advice, is trying to help you guys as much as possible. Moving on, NMTR, big PR after hours. They announced positive final results from Phase 2 Vibrant study and successful end of Phase 2 meeting with FDA for whatever that is in short bowel syndrome. So NMTR closed at 20 cents. We're bidding 26 in the after hours. So big PR. Again, this one here has just a $53 million market cap. We got the trend line resistance. This is a breakout here. I'd be watching get above 28 cents. We're going to run to 40 cents. So NMTR does have room to run. Next up is NLS. This is Nautilus. They are the creator of Bowflex. They put out a PR. They announced the strategic reviews. So they're going to be shopping this company, looking to sell. They've engaged Evercore to assist in the process. Closed at $1.67, bidding $1.80. The stock has just gotten absolutely killed this year. Peloton as well. So this was the gym from home. Everyone's gone back to the gym. So again, NLS, no indications that a deal is imminent, but again, this is one that put on your radar screen. Again, it looks attractive in terms of financials and everything. So question is someone going to step up and buy them? So NLS is another one to put on your radar screen. Lastly, guys, two power generator companies, PPSI and POLA. When hurricanes are coming, a lot of people go out and stock up on supplies. I go out shopping for low float generator plays, and PPSI and POLA both fit that criteria. PPSI has just 2.68 million share float. POLA has just a 7.16 million share float. Hurricane Ian is barreling towards Florida right now. So the DeSantis has called up the National Guard. So definitely, prayers going out to everyone, and hopefully it's not as bad. But if it is, PPSI, POLA are going to fly. So again, these are two nice plays here that I'm in. So overall, I like the action in Monday. Had some opportunities. Nice day for me here. Hopefully, let's see what happens. Hopefully it continues in some of these plays. overall in the market, let's again, I'm looking for catalysts right now, in terms of going in and buying the overall market. Don't think we're there yet. Right now, you got to be selective, be like a sniper, get in, get out, use your trailing stops, protect profits. Forget the diamond hands, paper hands BS. It's all about trying to make money wherever you can right now, and that's what we're doing here at insiderfinancial.com. So click that link in the description, sign up with your email and your mobile. Click or go to signup.insiderfinancial.com, or on insiderfinancial.com on any of the pop-ups you can sign up with your email. All right, guys, I'll be doing pre-market checklist tomorrow, be running my scans, looking for PRs. If I see anything interesting, I will be sending out to our subscribers. So again, make sure you sign up. Best part is it's completely free, guys. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. We don't sell your information. So again, it's completely free. Go ahead and sign up. Click that link in the description or on any of the pop-ups, or signup.insiderfinancial.com. All right, guys. Well, let's have a strong Tuesday, and prayers to everyone in Florida. Hope all be fine and safe. Thank you, everyone. Have a great day. Bye-bye.